rust stain like that from your furniture like that, well, we're going to show you how to get rid of it. Today we have a little bit of oxalic acid, right? Is what we have in here. How did you mix it?
8 ounces per gallon.
But I thought is that the powder stuff? So what's 8 ounces?
Like half a pound.
So we put it in there, we put water. Did you heat it up or anything to make it melt any better?
It's been in there for a couple days.
So oxalic acid is an acid. If you're doing this on concrete, it will lighting it up. It will make it look white, the oxalic acid will. But we'll show you how we're gonna remove this rust stain here. It's not really magic or anything. Just put some oxalic acid. You can use rust removal, F9 oxalic acid, that kind of stuff. Again, we are using acids, so we probably should be having safety glasses on. I have my safety glasses on and some gloves, and let's hit this and see what happens to it. Alright, so we're going to just set it on there and let it do its thing. Now this is old, so hopefully it works. This is rust removal. That's what ended up removing this rust all the way. Pretty much 950% right there. I'll put a link down into the description for Rust Removal Plus. I do like Rust Removal Plus a lot better than using oxalic acid. I know you can buy oxalic acid in a big bag and get it pretty cheap, but Rust Removal really does a really good job. You can see over here, it is completely gone pretty much, and that is why I like Rust Removal. Rust Removal Plus is definitely something that I would have on my truck. It is a great product if you have rust on a building, if you have rust, stuff like that. So I would definitely use Rust Removal Plus because it is a good product. You can get it at the Power Wash store. I will put a link down in the description, pressurewashhelp.com/rust removal, and then that way you'll be able to get that and see for yourself to use rust removal. This is a process that don't do this stuff for free because we do have to have chemicals. Chemicals aren't cheap and they can be dangerous. You can use Rust Removal Plus. It does work really well. I really like it a lot. This stain is completely gone. Can't even see where it was at. And that was because of the rust removal. The oxalic did okay, but it didn't get rid of it. When we brought and put the Rust Removal Plus on it, gone. So this will work. We can put it on vinyl siding. The one chimney job was actually Rust Removal Plus. I might put you some of those pictures in here so you can see what you can do with Rust Removal Plus.